As usual, we are back again with another exciting and inspiring story. Today, in this video, we will discuss how to invest like one of the most successful investors of all time, Warren Buffett, in 2023. The business magnate and billionaire with an impressive track record in the world of investment. He is known for consistently beating the market and making smart, calculated investments that have made him one of the wealthiest and most respected figures in the finance world. So, if you're looking to learn from the best and potentially boost your own investment portfolio, make sure to stay tuned. But before we dive into the tips and tricks on how to invest like Warren Buffett in 2023, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications, so you never miss an exciting and informative video from us. Now, for those who may not be familiar with Warren Buffett, he is a legendary investor, businessman, and philanthropist. He is often referred to as the Oracle of Omaha for his unparalleled investment acumen and ability to consistently identify and capitalize on lucrative investment opportunities. Buffett started his career at a young age, working as a delivery boy for the Omaha World Herald newspaper and eventually going on to study at the University of Nebraska. Despite facing many challenges and setbacks along the way, Buffett persevered and eventually founded Berkshire Hathaway, a multinational conglomerate that has grown to become one of the most successful and respected companies in the world. Today, Buffett is widely regarded as one of the most successful investors in history, with a net worth of over $110 billion. So, here are Warren Buffett's footsteps to follow to invest and become rich like him, even if you have just $100. Number 1. Educate yourself thoroughly. Buffett has always been an avid reader, and he attributes much of his success to the extensive knowledge he has gained through reading. He advises aspiring investors to read widely and extensively in order to gain a thorough understanding of the world and the markets. In order to gain a deep understanding of the world and the markets, it is important to not only read extensively, but also to seek out diverse sources of information and to continually update your knowledge. This can include not only books and articles, but also lectures, seminars, and other educational opportunities. Additionally, it can be helpful to seek out mentors or experienced investors who can provide guidance and share their insights. Number 2. Start investing as early as possible. Buffett started investing at a young age, and this allowed him to take advantage of the benefits of compound interest. The earlier you start investing, the more time your money has to grow and compound, potentially leading to greater returns in the future. The power of compound interest cannot be overstated, and starting to invest at an early age can provide a significant advantage. By starting to save and invest as soon as you can take advantage of the potential for your money to grow over time, potentially leading to larger returns in the future. Number 3. Adopt a long-term investment perspective. Buffett is a long-term investor, and he advises others to adopt a similar perspective. This means that rather than trying to time the market or make quick trades, you should focus on finding high-quality investments and holding them for the long term. While it can be tempting to try to time the market or make quick trades in an attempt to maximize profits, the reality is that this approach is often counterproductive. Instead, it is important to adopt a long-term perspective and focus on finding high-quality investments that have the potential to grow and appreciate over time. This can involve conducting in-depth research and analysis of a company's financials, management, and growth prospects. Number 4. Diversify your portfolio widely. Buffett is known for investing in a wide range of different companies, and he advises others to do the same. Diversification can help to spread risk and increase the chances of success. Diversification is a key aspect of a successful investment strategy, as it helps to spread risk and minimize the impact of any individual investment underperforming. This can involve investing in a variety of different asset classes such as stocks, bonds, and real estate, as well as a range of industries and geographic regions. Number 5. Focus on the fundamental aspects of a company. Buffett is known for his focus on the fundamental qualities of a company, such as its financials, management, and growth potential, rather than being swayed by short-term market fluctuations. In order to make informed investment decisions, it is important to focus on the fundamental aspects of a company, rather than being swayed by short-term market fluctuations. This can involve analyzing a company's financials, including its balance sheet, income statement, and cash flow statement, as well as considering factors such as its management team, competitive landscape, and growth prospects. Number 6. Be patient and wait for the right opportunities. Buffett is known for his patience, and he advises others to have a similar approach. Rather than trying to make quick trades or chasing after hot stocks, he advises investors to be patient and wait for the right opportunities to present themselves. Patience is a crucial virtue for investors, as it allows you to wait for the right opportunities to present themselves and avoid making impulsive decisions. By being patient and taking a long-term approach, you can increase your chances of success and avoid the pitfalls of trying to time the market or chase after hot stocks. Number 7. Take calculated risks when appropriate. While Buffett is known for his conservative approach to investing, he is not afraid to take calculated risks when he sees a good opportunity. He advises others to do the same, but to be sure to carefully evaluate the risks and potential rewards before making any investment decisions. While it is important to be cautious and carefully evaluate the risks and potential rewards of any investment, it is also important to be willing to take calculated risks when appropriate. This can involve identifying opportunities that have the potential to provide significant returns, but also carefully considering the potential downside and ensuring that the risk is justified by the potential reward. Number 8. Stay focused on your investment goals. Buffett has always been laser-focused on his investment goals, and he advises others to do the same. By staying focused and not getting distracted by short-term market fluctuations or the latest hot stock, you can increase your chances of success. Setting clear investment goals and regularly reviewing and tracking your progress can help to keep you focused and ensure that your investments are aligned with your long-term objectives. It is also important to have a plan in place for how to allocate your assets and adjust your portfolio as your goals and circumstances change. Number 9. Learn from your mistakes and use them to improve. Buffett has made his share of mistakes over the years, but he has always learned from them and used those lessons to become a better investor. He advises others to do the same, and to not be afraid to admit when they have made a mistake and to learn from it. Making mistakes is a natural part of the learning process, and it is important to be willing to learn from your mistakes and use them as opportunities to improve. This can involve seeking out feedback, conducting additional research, and adjusting your approach as needed. Number 10. Find enjoyment in investing. Well, Buffett advises aspiring investors to find enjoyment in their investments. If you enjoy what you are doing, you are more likely to stay engaged and motivated, which can lead to better results in the long run. Investing can be a rewarding and fulfilling pursuit, and it is important to find enjoyment in the process. By approaching investing with a positive attitude and a passion for learning, you are more likely to stay engaged and motivated, which can lead to better results in the long run. Number 11. Surround yourself with successful and experienced investors. Buffett has often credited much of his success to the people he has surrounded himself with, including his mentor, Benjamin Graham, and his business partner, Charlie Munger. By seeking out the advice and guidance of successful and experienced investors, you can learn from their experiences and gain valuable insights into the world of investing. Surrounding yourself with successful and experienced investors can provide valuable guidance and insights into the world of investing. This can involve seeking out mentors, joining investment clubs or communities, or simply networking with other investors and seeking out their advice and perspective. Number 12. Keep an open mind and be willing to adapt. Buffett is known for his ability to adapt and change his approach as the market evolves. He advises aspiring investors to do the same, and to always be open to new ideas and approaches to investing. In the fast-paced world of investing, it is important to keep an open mind and be willing to adapt to new information and changing market conditions. Number 13. Maintain discipline in your investing approach. Successful investing requires discipline, as it is easy to get caught up in the excitement of the market and make rash decisions. Buffett advises aspiring investors to be disciplined and stick to a long-term investment strategy, rather than getting swayed by short-term market fluctuations. Number 14. Take a holistic approach to evaluating investment opportunities. Buffett is known for considering all aspects of a company when making an investment, including its financials, management, and growth potential. He advises aspiring investors to take a holistic approach and consider all of these factors when making investment decisions. Number 15. Don't be afraid to ask for help or seek guidance. Finally, Buffett advises aspiring investors not to be afraid to ask for help or seek guidance when they need it. Whether it's seeking the advice of a financial advisor or mentor, or joining an investment club or group, getting help and support can be invaluable in your investing journey. We hope you have enjoyed learning about this surprising story of how Warren Buffett became what he is today with just an investment of $100. We bring such fantastic information every week, so make sure to share this with your friends and loved ones, as sharing is caring, and it helps us continue to create engaging and informative content. Don't forget to like this video as well, as it encourages us to keep bringing you the best content we can. And also, subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications, so you don't miss any of our future videos. Thank you for watching this video. We will catch you in the next one.